So here in the fifth, we have completed till the seventh problem. So now let us see the eighth one. So the question is given to you to find out the dy by dx. So sine square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. So cos square y. Cos square y is equals to 1 is a given function. So with respect to x, if you are there, differentiate with respect to the x on both sides. So same model, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So if you are doing the differentiation of the sine square x differentiation is nothing but here. What do you have to see? Wait first. So sine square x differentiation is nothing but 2 into sine x differentiation, because this you have to consider it as a x square. Completely you have to consider it as the x square. Differentiation of x square will be equals to 2x. So that's why the differentiation of the sine square will be equals to 2 sine x, and again d by dx of sine x. Okay, plus the cos square y differentiation will be equals to 2 cos y and d by dx of cos y, and the differentiation of the 1 with respect to x will become constant. The differentiation of the constant. Is it audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now 2 sin x. So differentiation of the sin x will be equals to cos x plus 2 cos y. Differentiation of the cos y will be equals to minus sin y dy by dx will be equals to 0. So now here 2 sin x cos x will be equals to sin 2x, and this one minus 2 sin y cos y is equals to sin 2y dy by dx is equals to 0. So take this one or this one to the right side. So from this you are going to get it as a sin 2 pi dy by dx is equals to sin 2x. So dy by dx is equals to sin 2x by sin 2y. So this is the dy by dx of the given function. Did you understand? Sin 2x by sin 2y. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? No? Okay, we'll go for the next. Actually, the next problem here onwards, the main problem is substitution. These problems, if you are doing normally, if you are trying to solve it, it takes more time to you. But instead of that, if you are trying for the substitution, the question is given to you y is equals to sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Here if you observe properly, this can be written as sin y is equals to 2x by, it takes a lengthy process if you are doing that. Suppose if you take sin y is equals to 2x by 1 plus x square, you can write. And differentiating on both sides, u by v method if you are simplifying, and it takes a very lengthy process if you are doing like this. This is also right. I'm not saying it is wrong. Okay. So it is also right, but it takes more time to you. But you observe that whenever you are having some function in a different way. Suppose if you observe this one, it is in the form of sin 2 theta is equals to.
सर बोर्ड में जो आप लिख रहे हैं ना वो विजिबल नहीं है क्लियरली.
Completely. It's not visible.
Yes, sir.
अभी कैसे?
Visible, sir.
Yes, sir. अभी दिख रहा है.
Sometimes due to the signal problem it happens, I think so. Okay. So if you are sin 2 theta formula, these are all, it should be in your mind. In different ways will be there. Sin 2 theta is a 2 sin theta cos theta only you know. But you can write it as a 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. See, if you observe this one, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So if you take x is equals to tan theta, if you substitute x in the place of x tan theta, what do you get here? 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. That can be written as sin 2 theta. Sin inverse of sin 2 theta. 2 theta. So it is going to simplify in the easiest way. So when you observe such type of the expression, and it is in what form you need to observe that. This is possible if you know all the formulas, if you are having all the formulas in your mind. Otherwise, it is not possible. By observing this one only, then you need to get this one into your mind. So here, if you substitute x is equals to tan theta, substitute x is equals to tan theta. So if you substitute x is equals to tan theta, what do you get here? You keep it this one, and what is required to us, then after you can check. If you substitute, what do you get here? Y is equals to sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta will be equals to sin 2 theta. It is equals to sin 2 theta. So y is equals to sin inverse of sin 2 theta. Sin inverse of sin 2 theta. And this sin inverse of sin 2 theta is equals to 2 theta. What we need to find out? Dy by dx. So we need to find out dy by dx. Dy by dx is equals to 2 into d theta by dx. But what is this d theta by dx? From here, this one differentiate with respect to x. So with respect to theta, from this if your dx by dt find out karo, then d theta by dx you are going to get. Did you understand? Here, if you are otherwise differentiating this one with respect to x, if you are differentiating this with respect to x, what do you get? 1 is equals to. So both are right only in both the ways. This you can differentiate with respect to theta. If you are doing with respect to theta, dx by d theta. So tan theta differentiation will be equals to, tan theta differentiation will be equals to. You can do this here in 2 different ways. Dx by d theta. What I am doing here? Differentiating with respect to theta. So that is nothing but here already you are having tan theta. So when dx by d theta is equals to tan theta differentiation is anyone? Okay. Differentiation of tan theta is secant square theta. But here, whenever if you want to replace d theta by dx you need. So this implies what do you get here from this? D theta by dx is equals to 1 by secant square theta, and 1 by secant square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta, which is equals to 1 by 1 plus tan square theta. Tan theta is nothing but x, 1 by x square. So d theta by dx we are going to get it as 1 by 1 plus x square. So here you need to replace this d theta by dx with this. So you are going to get dy by dx is equals to 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. So here if you see that dy by dx is equals to 2 by 1 plus x square. So this is the required answer for that. Normally, see here, this part you need to do it first only. After doing it, because we know that we will require d theta by dx in further. D theta by dx you are going to require. So here I did differentiating this with respect to theta on both sides. Or if you want to differentiate with respect to x on both sides, this part can be, suppose if you take here x is equals to tan theta, and this if you are differentiating with respect to x on both sides, differentiating with respect to x on both sides means 1 is equals to, actually what you d by dx of x is equals to d by dx of tan theta you need to do. So again, this one will be equals to 1. D by dx of tan theta is nothing but tan theta differentiation is secant square theta. And again, you need to do the d theta by dx. So here secant square theta, you take this side. So 1 by secant square theta is equals to d theta by dx. Here see d theta by dx is equal to 1 by secant square theta. Same, if you are doing differentiating with respect to x. But here what you have to do, here whenever you get d theta by dx, this should be replaced with it. In terms of x only you need to get. This problem can also be solved in another way. What is another? That becomes a very lengthy. If you try to solve it in another way, it becomes very lengthy. What you have to do, you need to take the sin y is equals to 2x by 1 plus x square, and sin y differentiate karna hai cos y. So you have to replace it. U by v method you need to do. So it becomes a very, very, very lengthy process if you are doing like that. And at last you are going to reach the answer as a 2 by x square. You try at home if you are, but that is very, very lengthy process if you are doing like that. Okay. Cos y by dx, d by dx of 2 by 1 plus x square, you will get it as a very lengthy process. Okay. So if you are doing like that, it becomes very lengthy. So don't try like that. It is enough for you to do. This is enough for you to do. Okay. So in that way, if you try, also you will get the same thing. You will not get the other. Okay. So same you are going to get, but you need to replace it by the in terms of x. Shall I explain to you that method also? Shall I explain to you that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See here. Normally, see, but that is lengthy, but don't. It is not necessary to you. Suppose if you are taking sin y, from this you are going to get sin y is equals to 2 by 1 plus x square. Differentiation of sin y is equals to cos y, and dy by dx is equals to d by dx of 2x by 1 plus x square. U by v method you need to do. U by v. So that means 1 plus x square into differentiation of the 2x. 1 plus x square into differentiation of the 2x will be equals to 2 minus 2x into 1 plus x square differentiation will be equals to 2x. 0 plus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square, which is equals to 2 plus 2x square minus 2 to the 4x square by 1 plus x square whole square, which is equals to 2 minus 2x square by 1 plus x square whole square. So this is what here cos y dy by dx. Here cos y u by 1 plus x square is equals to, you have to convert the cos into the cos y is equals to under root of 1 minus sin square y. So cos y also you need to express in terms of x. X may express karna. So sin y is equals to 2x by 1 plus x square. You can do using this formula, or multiple ways also there will be. Suppose if you consider that this is the angle y. Sin y is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. This one if you take into it. And this if you need to find out the lengthy होता. If you do like both the will get, you will get here. You are going to get this as a 1 minus x square. How do you get 1 minus x square? This see here. Under root of 1 plus x square whole square minus 2x whole square. This part. So what do you get here? Under root of 1 minus x square whole square you are going to get. A plus b whole square minus 4ab. A minus b whole square. So this will get as a 1 minus x square. So here you will get 1 minus x square. Cos y is equals to, from this you will get as a cos y is equals to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. If you simplify also you will get, if you use this one also you will get the same thing, under root of 1 minus sin square y So under root of 1 minus sin y is equals to 2x by 1 plus x square whole square. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो, 1 plus x square whole square minus 2x whole square by 1 plus x square whole square. In the numerator, you are going to get it as a 1 minus x square whole square by 1 plus x square whole square. So finally, you are going to get 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So cos y is equals to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So in the place of cos y, 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, you replace. So this is you need to do it. Otherwise, you are not going to get. So here in this place, 1 minus x square by 1 plus square d by equal to 2 common ले लो, 1 minus x square by 1 plus square whole square you will get. So this is 1 minus x square and this 1 minus x square will get cancelled. This 1 plus x square and square will get cancelled. So dy by dx is equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. As this is a little bit simpler, then you can do it. But if you go for the remaining problems, here 9th problem, like 10th, 11th, 12th problems, if you go on trying that, it takes a very lengthy. So don't do all the problems in that way, because observation is more important here. When you observe the problem, in what way it is there. Suppose if you see the 10th problem, what is given to you? Did you understand both the ways? In this, here it is looking like to you very small. Sir, this one and this one both are same only now. But here I have skipped the part finding the cos y from the sin y. Finding the cos y, that I have erased it. That's why it is looking like very small. Okay? So here, this is a problem, and the remaining all the problems also like that substitution only. If you are going on substituting, then you are going to get the required solution. So you go on trying the 10th problem. 10th problem you try it. I'll come back within 1 minute, please. Okay. So now let us see here. 10th problem आप लोग कर सकते हैं ना? Same उधर भी x is equals to what you need to substitute. 10th one, if you see that y is equals to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x. 1 minus 3x square. See here, x is equals to tan theta ले लो. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is equals to tan 3 theta. So what you are going to get, x is equals to tan theta is nothing but dx by d theta is equals to 1 by 1 plus x square. This is fixed in the previous problem we have solved it. But in the examination while you are doing, you need to do it completely. Dx by d theta is equals to dx by d theta is equals to, so d theta by dx. D theta by dx is equals to. you will get d theta by dx is equals to 1 by 1 plus x square. Isn't it? एग्जाम में तो कंप्लीट पर डिफरेंशिएटिंग dx by d theta is equals to differentiating secant square theta secant square theta. Again, you are not supposed to write here. So secant square theta can be written as dx by d theta is equals to secant square theta is nothing but d theta by dx is equals to 1 by secant square theta. Secant square theta can be written as 1 by 1 plus tan square theta, so which is equals to 1 plus x square d theta by dx. So theta is equals to tan theta, substitute कर लिया तो y is equals to tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta one minus 3 tan square. This is equal to tan 3 theta. Y is equals to tan inverse of tan 3 theta. So it is equals to y equal to 3 theta. Again, here you need to write differentiating x. So you are going to get it as a dy by dx is equals to 3 into d theta by dx. D theta by dx is 1 by 1 plus x square. So which is equals to 3 into 1 by 1 plus x square. So which is equals to 3 by 1 plus x square. So dy by dx is equals to 3 by 1 plus x square. Okay? Okay. Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
No doubts? Anurag, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here if you see that seventh procedure, eleventh one, half inverse. To be the formula याद है? In terms of tan, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Sin 2 theta is equals to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta is equals to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. These formulas, if you are having in your mind, see here sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is nothing but sin by cos. ये by कर लिया, ये दोनों cancel. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. If you know these three things and along with this all the trigonometric identities, then it is an easy task for you to solve the problem. Otherwise, it's not simple. Same thing here. What to do? It is in this way. So cos 2 theta, cos inverse is there. So cos 2 theta you will get. So let x is equals to tan theta. Say d theta by dx as we got 1 by 1 plus x square d theta by dx. So here y is equals to cos inverse of cos 2 theta. So y is equals to 2 theta. So y is equal dy by dx. I am doing directly. I am not solving it completely with the structure. Dy by dx is equals to 2 into d theta by dx. So 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. So which is equals to 2 by 1 plus x square. So dy by dx is equals to 2 by 1 plus x square. So same answer we are going to get. Do you understand here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it audible and visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if you see the 12th problem, 12th is little bit different, it is there, if you observe properly. So what is given here? Y is equals to sin inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Actually 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, wherever it is given to you, cos 2 theta you will get. Tan theta is you are substituting here, tan theta x is equals to, you are going to get this one as a sin inverse of cos 2 theta you are going to get. So in that situation what to do? So in that situation, see here, same. Substituting is same. So substitute x is equals to tan theta. Okay. Then dx by d theta is equals to secant square theta. This implies d theta by dx is equals to 1 by secant square theta, 1 by 1 plus tan square theta, 1 by 1 plus x. This one is fixed for all the problems. So here y is equals to sine inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So sine y is equals to, here sine y is equals to cos 2 theta you are getting. Otherwise, you can write y is equals to the first step sine inverse of cos 2 theta. This is cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta you write in terms of sine. Cos 2 theta can you write in terms of sine? You can write in terms of sine. Sine y. Hello? Is it audible?